Hi, I'm Justin, professional dryer vent cleaner, and I want to share with you the reasons why you would want to hire a professional dryer vent cleaner instead of trying to do it yourself. Number one is the correct tools. So, for the company that I work for that do dryer vent cleaning, we use our 6.5 horsepower shop vac and rotating brushes powered by a drill. Now, if you do it yourself, you may use whatever vacuum you have lying around, like a household vacuum, or you may just do it without a vacuum. And both of these things will not get out serious clogs. If your vent isn't that bad and you're just doing maintenance, it might help. But if your dryer is not drying, then you are going to need these professional tools to actually get the dryer to dry. Number two is where your vent leads out. Some people are lucky and it's just right on the exterior wall, right at ground level, and you could go and see if any air is coming out. But most of the dryer vents I see, especially here in South Florida, are on the roof. And now you may not have the correct size ladder, or you may not feel comfortable climbing on your roof. It could be slippery if it's a metal roof, or you could crack a tile if it's a tiled roof, or if it's 2-story, it could just be something that you're not really willing to do. So the company that I work for, we have extension ladders, we have adjustable ladders. Any 2-story house, 1-story house, we could get on the roof. And if we cannot get on the roof, if it's a 3-story condo or something like that, then we could go through the attic, carefully crawl through the attic, disconnect it from where it goes into the roof, and clean it out that way. So you may not be comfortable going on a ladder, climbing on your roof, or it is not fun going in the attic and you may not be comfortable doing that. And if you step on the wrong spot, you could destroy your sheetrock and create new problems. Along with that is yes, they do sell brush kits and the brush kits will work, but there could be something else going on. Like I said, in the attic, a lot of times the vent falls apart and the lint's blowing all the way in the attic. So you're going to need a professional to go there and reinstall it in the attic. And moving the dryer. Sometimes the dryers are gas powered. Sometimes there's a water line for the steam feature. And if you pull the dryer the wrong way, not only could you hurt your back or something, but you could disconnect one of these lines and cause a much bigger problem than your dryer not working. Next is cleaning the dryer vent is great and you should do it at least once a year, but you also need to clean the inside of the dryer. That's one of the most important things. So with a professional dryer vent cleaner like myself, I go and I clean the lint receptacle where you pull out the tray, and then I take apart the whole back of the machine and clean the thing from top to bottom. And if you want to learn how to clean if you want to see how I clean the inside of a dryer, check out this video over here. Thank you.